Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today, and it does the world. Anyway, today we're going to take a video on our new boat, Air 190. It's not a new boat, it's a year old. So the issue is my steering is kind of stuck. Last year when I winterized it, I made a big mistake. So this is a realization of that mistake. I should have lubricated my steering cable. Now it's kind of pretty tough, pretty tight to move it, which I'll show you. So that's why we're doing this. Today we're going to lubricate the steering cable. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you everything. All right, so let's go check it out. Usually it turns easy. It's so hard to turn right now. As you know, this is our steering connector, so it moves left and right. See, I can even move. Usually it's easy to move. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take this nut off. This nut and bolt. This is 12 millimeter, and there's one here which is I already loosened it up. That's 13 millimeter. Then we're gonna pull this out. We're gonna take this plastic cover. You're gonna take that plastic cover out. Then we're going to attach the tubing and lubricate it from there. So let's take that out first. As you can see, I tried to grease it everything, but it doesn't really work. So anyway, so I took this off from here. Now it's easy moving. I grease here, so that was not the issue. So the issue was the cable. So anyway, so I grease it here, and see it's not pulling and pulling. So anyway, so then turn this thing, it will come off. Okay, actually let me tell you something. So that's okay. This one, it's by loosening you have to like go this way, not this way. Okay, so this is actually when you put that thing on, so make sure you do that. But anyway, so it's kind of in the middle. So let's take this off. Now let's take this seal off. Okay, take a screwdriver and then you can just pull this thing. It's like a seal. Slowly, don't break the seal. Okay, it's a plastic, so you can go from each side and then loosen it out. Off. All right, so it's off. Things you needed for lubricating your steering control, it's right here. You need a Quicksilver. You don't need a Quicksilver, but you need a gear lube or some kind of lubricant. Marine lubricant, I would prefer that. Then you need about like 5 feet tubing. Then you would need 50 psi to that 3x8. This is a 3x8 high pressure tubing. 3x8 tubing. Then you need just a flat screwdriver. You need a syringe to prime this tubing with the lubricant. Then you need your wrench set or like a spanner set. So that's pretty much it. For this thing, I made a setup. I'm gonna connect to my 50 psi, not 50 psi, my compressor. And what I did was I bought a 3x8 inside diameter high pressure tubing, and I have the clamp here. And also this is to connect to the compressors. I'm gonna put all the link from Amazon in your description, so it's gonna be easy. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to connect this end all the way in, this one here, go through here, and I'm gonna push all the way in. Then I'm gonna put it inside. I'm gonna tight this clamp right there, and then we're gonna put the oil through here. The only problem with this, it's I have to put oil through here, so which I may need some syringe or something like that, which I have to find out. So I'm going to put the oil through here, and then we're going to connect the pressure hose right here. Then it will push it all the way in. So I'm going to push through this thing, and then I'm going to tighten the thing over there. Okay. Since I'm doing the first time, it's kind of hard to push it in, but so I have to kind of force in here and kind of push it all the way down here to go in there. So pretty much you have to, this should be okay, but I'm going to push it a little bit more so that I can put the clamp and then tighten it, so it would not come out when I insert the pressure. I have attached and secure the tube in there. This is about 5 feet long, and I have this end right here. This is a narrow end, and I have to put the oil in there. So to put the oil in there, what I'm going to use a syringe, and so that I can take this. It's going to take a couple of multiple attempts, but it's okay. And the lube I'm going to use is right here, Quicksilver Marine Lubricant Premium Gear Lube 8 ATW 190 SAE. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. And like I said, I'm going to put all the all these items link in my description, so you can take it from there. So let's do that. I'm going to fill it up with the oil now. I'm drawing the oil from the can, then
it always gets the leak when you're done.
Yeah, so I'm putting the oil very slowly. It's kind of,
watch what happens. Watch what happens.
See the oil not going through because there's no air. See, it's kind of leak when I take it off, so just be careful with that. So like I said, I probably have to do maybe 20-30 times this one. That's okay, it's worth it. So slowly
And gently.
Gently, yeah, because the air is coming, as you can see, it's moving. Because the more in, it's much better. So
I'm trying to move it a little.
okay, so I put the oil. It's about 3 feet in. I would say this one it's 50 ml. So I put it about 5 of them. So I would say about 5 ml. My bad. I put about 10 of them. So it's total is 50 ml. So 50 ml lubricant inside this tubing. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pressurize it. We're gonna connect this one to my compressor right here. All right. This is my compressor. My hands all messy. So what are you gonna do? I'm just gonna connect it.
That's funny.
That's funny, I know. Okay, it's in. I put a little bit pressure, but it's not going in. Can you do left and right over there? Can you go there and then steer left and right?
Okay. I'm going to show it.
Yeah, I show it. Show them.
Left or right?
Yeah, both.
So now I'm going to turn it left or right. So it's already at the right. So, what? No, it was at the left. That's already how it goes.
Okay, go left and right. Go keep going. So we have to keep left and right, so then it will move in and out here as we go. Okay, so as you go, the inside cable move up and down. As you can see, there's some leak over there, which is good, which is a bad yes, it is a bad oil, which is okay. So actually I had about 3 feet oil filled up. Now I only have 6 inch left, which is good. So keep doing it, and it's getting much easier. As you can see, he's easily moving it. That's okay, because of the pressure, it will be better. Okay guys, so I pulled out the cable, so it's right there. I pulled out from there, and there's some oil leak over there, which is okay, but it's pretty nice and clean. As you can see, it's pretty clean and it looks really nice. So I'm going to connect back the
how it's going to turn.
Yeah, show me the turn. So my baby is going to turn. Okay, so it's going smooth inside, outside. Oh, very smooth, very nice. So it's easy. Little bit tight, it's okay. So keep it in the middle, then we're gonna connect the bucket here. Okay, so this is the middle, then we're gonna keep it connected. Okay, so let me connect it. Okay, so we done pretty much. It's easy. It's like let me show. See, it's very easy to turn now. I can turn with one finger. Before it was so tight, so it was success. I'm so happy with that result. So it's easy. It's not that hard. Okay, So next time when I winterize it, I'm gonna do this. Okay guys, so thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also please share with your friends who has a boat or who is looking to get a boat and in future or something like that. So that will be definitely beneficial for me. I was looking at the YouTube for like a nice video. I saw some video, but it wasn't as detailed as this. So I hope you will like this video. And again, I'll be coming with another video soon. I already ordered Vector Vest for the slow speed. I'm going to install that. I'm going to do a video on that too. So again, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up again. Alright, I'll see you with another video soon. Till then, it's me, Aldos, Anitus.
And subscribe.
Alright, subscribe. Bye bye.
I'm just this.